In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up job alerts on Indeed so you never miss out on new opportunities that match what you're looking for. We'll go step by step, and by the end, your alerts will be set up and ready to go. Let's start on your main Indeed dashboard. This is the page you see after you've signed into your account. From here, you'll first want to move into your account area, look for the account option, usually at the top right of the screen. Click on that and then choose settings from the menu that appears. This takes you to the main settings page for your Indeed account where you can control how the platform interacts with you. Once you're in settings, the next thing to look for is communication settings. This is where Indeed keeps all the options related to emails, notifications, and alerts. Go ahead and click communication settings. It might be a separate tab or a section on the page, but the wording should look very similar. Inside communication settings, you'll see different ways Indeed can contact you, and one of the key areas will be related to email. Find the email section and then click the drop-down arrow next to it. This drop-down is important because it expands to show all the different types of emails Indeed can send you. If you don't open this menu, you might miss some of the options you can customize. After you click the drop-down arrow for email, look specifically for job and company alerts. This is where you control the emails that let you know about new job postings and updates from companies you're interested in. Click on Job and Company Alerts to open that section. Once you're in the Job and Company Alerts area, you should see all the notification options that are automatically set up for your account. These might include alerts based on recent searches you've done, roles you've clicked on, or companies you've chosen to follow. Take a moment to look through what's there. This is a good time to confirm that the alerts match the kind of jobs you actually want to hear about. If you see alerts you no longer need, you can usually turn them off or unsubscribe right from this screen. On the other hand, if you want to receive more targeted alerts, you can adjust your preferences by refining your job searches on Indeed and saving those searches. Those saved searches will then appear here as alerts. It's a good idea to make sure the email address on your account is one you check regularly, since your job and company alerts will be sent there. If you're actively job searching, you might even want to create a habit of quickly scanning these emails once or twice a day so you can be one of the first applicants when something relevant appears. Once you're comfortable with the alerts you see and everything looks right, you're all set. Your job and company notifications are now configured, and Indeed will keep you updated automatically. That's all you need to do to set up job alerts on Indeed and keep your job search moving forward.